The Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills District, Jowai, in collaboration with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, observed Hamara Sankalp Viksit Bharat at Thatlasken CNRD block, West Jaintia Hills. The awareness program was held at ATS Kyortirkhang Kle Tirshi to educate the participants of the various government schemes that include PMAY, PMJAY, NRML, Atal Pension Yojana, PM Jan Dhan Yojana, nano fertilizers and other schemes. BDO of Thatlasken block, B. Langbang, informed that the Viksit Bharat Sankalp is initiated by the central government to reach out to the public through the IEC van. The IEC van will travel to 49 villages in Thatlasken block to spread awareness about government welfare schemes. The second semi-final match of IEC